Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I caught something in my chicken coop here. It's one of these little cutie things.
Zebra dove.
Zebra dove.
Zebra
dove. Yeah, it's so cute. I grabbed it and it freaking just went over to the pool, and I grabbed it. My pool right there. I grabbed it, it seemed hurt. I went over to my uncle's room over here. I knocked. And yeah. I just got home from doing good at school. From doing this. I got dibs. I love dibs. But this thing hurt itself real bad. Look at the cute little thing. Hey, little dove. Look at me. That is cute. The last dove I tried to save died.
They're invasive species.
Yeah. No wonder I see them like everywhere. It was the last one. I was trying to get it out from back there. And
Turn it off.
Okay.
You want me to just sit there and record nothing for 20 minutes? Take a picture this way. You're looking at it.
Okay. Here's a cute little thing. There you go. Isn't that a cute little thing? Bye-bye, guys. It was just a little short video.
There it goes. Nope.
You...
It'll get away.
What?
Just, it'll be fine.
Bird rescue. But yeah, guys, sorry, it was just a little thing that popped up to me. And I'm like, oh, let me record this. That'd be a good video. But I just want to do that for a moment. So hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow, next day, I am gonna try to do a hurricane multi. Like, I'm gonna do more stuff with my uncle. Welcome back to my room. Call it the chill cave. Yeah, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys all later. Bye.